Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can close a surface in CATIA, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, then you click on shape, then you click on the generative shape design, then you click on OK. Next you go to the insert, then surfaces, then you click on cylinder. For the point I'm gonna select the center of the axis. For the direction I'm gonna choose the Z axis, and for the radius I'm gonna change it to, let's say, 30 millimeter. For the first length I'm gonna add 30, and for the second length let's say I'm gonna add 50 millimeter. Okay, then I'm gonna click on OK. Now I'm gonna go to the part design workbench, then I'm gonna go to insert, then surface based features, then I'm gonna go and use the close surface command. You click on OK here, then you click on the surface, click on the plus sign here, then you click on OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can close a surface in CATIA in a few simple clicks, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.